Alright everybody, it's William, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about the incorporation of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, all the fun stuff. So before we jump into today's tutorial, I have a small favor to ask you guys. As you guys can see, I'm a pretty small YouTuber and I really need your help right now. I'm trying to apply for YouTube Partner Program and still lacking a lot of the subscribers. So please click that subscribe button right now and give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much for your support. It really helped me off the street, and I really need your help to make this channel live. I update video every day. I've nearly updated for several years now. Still haven't got this channel monetized. So thank you so much. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. So you're watching a serious video about how to develop augmented reality app. Okay, so we are using Xcode for that, and with the help of Copilot. Okay, so I opened two editors or IDE. One is Visual Studio Code, the other is Xcode. You need Xcode in order to build your project, but when I actually write the code, I use the help of Copilot. Okay. So before we actually write something, I want to share you guys some of the concepts that I think is really important, some advanced operators in Swift. Okay, I think it's not only in Swift, it's in a lot of programming language. So let's go back to Xcode and show you guys. So here is our project. Let's just create a new file, and maybe just some Swift file. Okay, so this is some operator demo. Okay, so yeah, let's create it, put it here. So basically we can do a lot of operations, from the multiplications, the addition, subtraction, something like that, but there are some sort of a ground level, basic level, bitwise operator. We can use the bitwise left shift, right shift operator to do a lot of things. So we are going to use that in our app, because if you look at Apple's documentation, Apple's got a decent documentation, but it's not 100% best documentation in the world. So if you look at raw value, create a collision group from raw value, you will see some strange syntax, and this is the operator that we are talking about. So I want to share with you guys the bitwise shift operator first, and then continue our course. Okay, so let's just do it. So let me give you an example of it. So for example, if you want, let's just generate a certain thing. Okay, so we got this maybe just get a playground. I think that maybe that's better, because I don't want to run the whole app. So move to trash, and let's create a new playground. Blank, maybe no blank. Let's just operator demo. Okay, let's create it. So yeah, let's just let a certain object and a 1, something like that, and that will be our uint32, because I'm going to do bitwise operation. Okay, and of course you can actually print that out. So what I'm going to do is to using the left shift operator to shift 1. Okay, so let's just print it. Okay, print object 1, object 01. Okay, let's just run that. Okay, I think after we run that, I got it. It's just 1. Basically, what you are saying is that you're moving 0 bits to the left. Okay, so basically the original number is 0000001. Okay, and you are doing a shift of left. So basically you sort of like multiply that by 10. Okay, so you just move that to the left. You just move that to this. Okay, and of course you can also continue to move, and then you move something like this, and of course you can continue to move to the left or like this. Okay, this is just like you raise that to the power. Okay, so if it's 1, just raise it to the power of a power of whatever number that you want to raise. Okay, so if it's 0, just the original position. If it's 1, just times 10. So just come here. So let me show you more of it. Okay, so object 1, and let's continue to do that by generating another object or 2 and using u in it. So 2 and 1 to maybe 1. Okay, and then you can print it out. Object 02. Okay, let's do more. Okay, so you guys can see more clearly. Let me copy that, and you can paste it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4. Okay, so 1 and 2. This would be 3 and 3, and there will be 3 and object 4. Okay, object 4, and we got this 4 and 5. Okay, yeah, pretty good. And hopefully I can actually run that. So let object invalid declaration for 02. Okay, so object 02, we already allowed that. Why is this invalid? I'm gonna use. Okay, we can't do that multiple times, so let's just comment everything else out. Just single this. Oh, yeah, I know the reason. These two. Okay, so yeah, let's not comment that. Let's do that again. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so yeah, so first is 1 and raised to 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so we got 2, and 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and a, and the power of 3. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 equals to 4, times 2 equals to 8. Perfect. So basically this is just a different way of storing different just different categories to different kinds of numbers that you want to store there. So basically you can use the deduction and say that if you doing the left shift operator, say a or any maybe m, and the left shift a certain n, okay, that will be you use m and you multiply 2 and raise to the power of m. Okay, so basically you're doing something like this. This is not n long, but just n. Okay, basically you're doing operation like this. Okay, and don't forget, it's just a different way of generating raw data, like you are talking to the computer. Okay, so if you you don't know how to use it, it's perfectly normal, or just want to make it sense for you, because in Apple's documentation it got some strange way of generate raw values, but I don't think you'll be needing that in your everyday operation. It's just some specific scenario where you actually want to generate the collision group, and you're going to need it. You can treat this as a different, like a flag or different name, ID code for the collision group. Okay, so basically just generate a certain value using the bitwise operator to generate different groups, and you can reference this group later on. Okay, so yeah, let's just close this documentation, and of course let's go back to our code, because what I'm trying to do is to separate the different objects into different groups, and then we can sort of make certain groups can or cannot crash with one another. Okay, so yeah, I think it's already a pretty long video, and I'm going to pause this video here, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that in later tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye.